First question, immersive growth is the term given by option A. Amartya Sen, option B. Jagadish Bhagawati, option C. Kaldar, option D. Hicks. Correct answer is option B. Jagadish Bhagawati. Second question, if R equal to 15 and MR equal to 5, the price elasticity of demand is option A 2.3, option B 1.5, option C 7.5, option D 1. Question number 3. A monopolist faces a linear demand curve P equal to 100 minus 4Q. While his cost function is C equal to 50 plus 20Q, the profit maximizing output for this monopolist is. Correct answer option C. Question number 4. The benefit theory of allocation of tax burden was given by option A. Seligman, option B. Lindahl, option C. Dalton, option D. Pigou. The correct answer is Lindahl. Question number 5. Who among the following has developed the concept of effective incidence of tax? Option A. Ursula K. Hicks, option B. Jar Hicks, option C. H. Dalton, option D. A. C. Pigou. Correct answer is option A. Ursula K. Hicks.